right, welcome back, and it's good to know that you're still here. And I've been telling you the different ways you can spot a potential scammer online. So let's move on with some of the ways you can spot a potential scammer online. The next way to spot a potential scammer online is especially on Facebook. What I do is that I go to the Facebook page. How old is the Facebook page? There was a time I saw a page that was selling very ridiculously too cheap phones. The prices were ridiculously too cheap, and there were new phones with cartons. So I had to go to the page. I had to go to the page of that vendor. I had to go to the page itself, and I went through the page. I discovered that their first post was in May, April, or even 1st of June. Please, that one is a potential scam. Please don't buy from such a vendor unless they accept pay on delivery. Yes, you can say, okay, what if I'm a new vendor, I just opened my page? That is fine. If they can't accept pay on delivery, do not buy from them, okay? Because most of what those people do is after they finish scamming you, they're going to delete that page, and that is all. Then go open in another page, use it to scam people and all of that. I started my page 2018, 2019. That is when I opened my page. So if you go to my page, you'll see my posts from 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022. So if I am a scammer, my page will not be there for that long. I should have deleted it. Okay, I should have deleted the page. If you go to my page, you'll see my face, you'll see my product, my videos, you see everything. So that should tell you that this person is legit. If I've been there since 2018, it's not your product that will sell that will make me come and scam me, because my page is very important to me. Because even if I block you, you will give my contact on my page to 10 other people to write negative reviews for me. So that's one of the ways of spotting a potential scammer online. So having talked about how old the page is or how long the person has been posting, let's move on to the next way. The next way to spot a potential scammer online is, one thing you should understand about people who scam people is that these people are professionals. These people have studied a bit of emotional intelligence. They are very professional at what they do. They are very persuasive. Okay, so when, as an online vendor, okay, I'm sharing some of my experiences with you. I see people come to me and they were like, hope you will not scam me. How am I sure you're legit? So please, you people should stop that thing when you go meet a vendor and say, hope you will not scam me. Hope you, even if I'm a scammer, will I tell you that I'm going to scam you? No. When I see that you're even scared, these people are very professional. You have given them an avenue for them to convince you the more, because their customer service will be 100%. They will talk to you so politely. They will get back to you, like, do follow up. Ma, are you still buying? We're going to give you 50% discount. Okay, they're going to be refunds. So they'll be so nice to you. They were so nice, and you're like, this vendor they have very good customer service, and you're going to buy from them. They have learned the act of persuasion and the act of convincing people to buy. So they know how to do the work. So all you need to do as a person is doing your own homework. Because stop doing that thing, because I see vendors coming to me, hope you will not scam me, hope I will not regret buying from me. Even if I'm going to scam you, I won't tell you. So do your homework and don't let anyone push you, because these people are very professional at the way they were going to talk to you and everything. Let's move on to the next one. Like, this is like the most important one. It's not like the most important, but it's one of like the most important. One of, the very important one. If you see a potential scam page, no reviews. No reviews. And when I talk about reviews, I'm not talking about the fake reviews. Because when you see some of this Ponzi scheme, what they do, or when someone's account has been hacked, what they do is that all other accounts that have been hacked, they'll be coming under to comment, thank you so much, I got my alert, thank you so much, I was paid. I'm not talking about such reviews. As someone who is highly intelligent, you know that these are lies. I'm not talking about those fake reviews where they're going to screenshot WhatsApp messages. Probably, they did those WhatsApp messages themselves. Okay, I'm not talking about those ones. When you talk about reviews, like if you go to my page now, you'll see people who have bought from me, sent me pictures, and I'm going to tag their names. Like if it's on Instagram, I'm going to tag their names on Instagram. Like, thank you so much for your review. So if you go to my page, you'll see so many of my customers who have gotten stuff from me and sent me reviews, and I'm going to tag them so that person can click and see that page that sent in that review is an actual person and not one of the pages that they are handling and using to deceive people. So if you go to a page where there are no reviews from actual people, like okay, you will now ask me, okay, what if it's a new vendor that no one has bought from them? But if it's a new vendor, they have friends and family who probably have bought from them. When I started my business, I started more with people who were around me, okay, because they were the one I was pressurizing to give me reviews, because these were the first contact. So those people, you can some of the people who are close to, like my colleagues, I'll tell them, please make a review for me, say something nice, like just do a video of yourself and say thank you so much and show what you bought for me, or please send me a picture and tag me, okay, like snap a picture and tag me on your picture. So I always beg people who are around me to do that for me. So if you go to a page where even if the reviews are there, just WhatsApp, reviews, like people can, do all of those things, but it should be reviews that they tag those people to their pages that you can go check them out. Okay, they write an actual name, so you can go check out those people and check out that this review was legit. It wasn't from another scam page they are using to scam people. Another way to spot a potential scam online is that they impersonate other bigger brands. Like you see brands that are so big and popular, they can impersonate them. Like you see some pages, okay, let's say Tina B Fashion World or Women Plus, they'll add maybe Women Plus double S or Women, and they're going to add maybe just one dot, maybe just a dot or something that will differentiate it. So if you don't pay much attention to it, you might get scammed thinking that, oh, I'm buying from this popular brand, but it's not really from that brand. What I would advise is that if you have any, because people buy from people they trust, okay? So if you have any brand you already trust, please, even if you're dealing with that brand, make sure that you're dealing with the actual brand, okay? We have seen many cases where someone will impersonate a big figure, a public figure to collect money from them, or impersonate a bigger brand pretending to be them. At the end of the day, we're like, this brand scammed me, but no, they didn't scam you. Someone else used a lookalike of their page, and you didn't really look at the page critically. So what other methods haven't I mentioned here that you think are some of the ways they use to scam people? I'd like to hear it in the comment section, because you may be saving a life. Well, just like I said before, I have been buying from online vendors, and I'll keep buying from online vendors. It's just for you to do this little. When I bought this ring light from Lagos, it was pay before delivery. I bought a lot of things during the COVID-19 lockdown. I bought so many Ankara like fabrics from Port Harcourt. I didn't know the vendor from anywhere. I met her on Facebook. I paid before delivery. I bought there was a time I was selling wears, ladies wear. I was buying them from Onitsha. Okay, those I don't know the woman from anywhere. I met her on Facebook and she added me to her group, and I started buying from her. And I paid before delivery. So I've never been scammed or what ordered versus what you. Sometimes it is our greed and our ignorance that put us into trouble. So I hope that you are able, next time you want to buy from a vendor, you're able to do this homework, because you'll be doing yourself a very great disservice if you tell yourself, I will never buy from an online vendor. Because even if you say you want to go to the market to look for that particular thing you saw from an online vendor that you like, it might take you so much time walking from one store, physical store, to the other to find that particular thing that vendor is selling. And I wish you all the best. If you're an online vendor, I wish you all the best. If you're someone who buys online, please do not stop. Just do this little homework, because I'm also an online vendor and I've never scammed anyone. So have a nice time. And to all those who scam people and give online vendors bad name, God will arrest you one day. And I'm going to show you, next video, I'm going to show you what to do when next you get scammed online. How to get that scam person to give you back your money. Please, even if you get scammed online, there are ways you can retrieve your money. There are ways you can get back your money. Please subscribe so that when next I post that video, you get to see it. My name is Tina Oje. Until I see you again, stay good, be safe, do your homework. Don't fall prey to any hungry and greedy person. Bye bye.